Kayla just has this habit of waking up and not even telling me nothing about waking up. She just gets up and is like, I think I'm gonna go outside, not tell Steven that I'm up, and give him warning hugs and say hello. Hello, Kayla. You gonna put the blinds down now for some reason?
No, actually.
Oh, okay. I don't think we're running outside today. It's a little wet. Un poquito. How do you say wet? I don't know how to say water. I don't know how to say wet. Un poquito aguaful. Yeah.
I haven't vlogged recently, but this is vlog worthy. Steven, I'm vacuuming, and all of a sudden I smell this horrid smell. And the other day when Steven was vacuuming, he's like, oh look, there's a dead mouse. And you know, I figured he would pick it up and throw it in the trash can, but apparently he vacuumed it up and thought it would be a good idea to leave it there. Common sense. Oh my goodness. That's disgusting.
I thought it was disgusting too, but it was easier than emptying the vacuum right then.
Lazy.
That's more what it is.
Just for that, you get to vacuum.
I don't mind. I got a pocket full of sunshine. Oh, wow. I don't know the rest of the words. I haven't listened to that song in forever. That's all I have to say. Good night. We'll see you tomorrow.